o'clock news. This morning we have a breaking news report of an unusual case of meningitis.
We know that meningitis is the inflammation of the meninges, which are the membranes that surround the brain and spinal cord. But we needed to learn more, so we set out to find more information about meningitis.
We found that there are two types of meningitis, bacterial and viral. The bacterial case is more severe and is a result of a bacterial infection attacking the body rapidly. We also found that symptoms worsen quickly and are displayed as flu-like signs. Viral, on the other hand, is much more common and more mild. It often goes away on its own. It's also referred to as aseptic meningitis or sterile meningitis. It's rarely fatal and most victims have a complete recovery. They're also caused by enteroviruses.
In 1805, Gaspard Vissou first describes meningitis. In 1805, the first outbreak of meningitis was in Geneva as well. In 1806, Elias Mann and Lothario Danielson reported the first meningitis case in the United States. In 1887, Anton Wilczesbaum discovered Neisseria meningitidis, a type of meningitis-causing bacteria. In the 1940s, penicillin was used to treat the disease with meningitis, and in 1974, the first polysaccharide vaccine was used as a treatment. In 2005 through 2010, the FDA approved more meningococcal vaccines.
We also found out that there are four types of bacteria that cause bacterial meningitis. The first one is Streptococcus pneumoniae, which is the most common cause in the United States. It can also cause pneumonia or ear infections commonly. A vaccine is available.
Another cause of bacterial meningitis is Neisseria meningitidis. This is also a very common cause and also means meningococcal meningitis. It is highly contagious and affects mainly teenagers and young adults. The vaccine is available to prevent this disease, and the structure is contained in a polysaccharide capsule. Inside the polysaccharide capsule is DNA, ribosomes, a cytoplasm, a cell membrane, and a cell wall.
Bacterial meningitis is Haemophilus influenza type B, or Hib. It used to be the leading cause of meningitis in children, but is now less common. A vaccine is available for this form of the disease. The fourth and final cause of bacterial meningitis is through Listeria monocytogenes. It is often found in soft cheeses, hot dogs, and lunch meats. Most healthy individuals are unaffected, but pregnant women, children, and individuals with weak immune systems may be.
Enteroviruses are viruses that enter the body through the gastrointestinal tract and thrive there, often moving on to attack the nervous system. Enteroviruses are very small and made of RNA and proteins. The number of meningococcal disease cases changes from year to year. From 1998 to 2007, about 1,500 Americans were infected each year with a range of 900 to 3,000 cases. 11% of those affected will die. Adolescents and young adults have an increased incidence of meningococcal disease. Hi, I'm doing research on meningitis, and I was wondering if I could interview you on your previous symptoms.
Sure.
Did you have high fever or a severe headache?
I did, yes.
Did you have nausea or confusion?
All the time.
What about seizures?
Sometimes.
Sleepiness?
Always.
And skin rashes or limited food and water intake? How did they treat your viral meningitis?
Well, since antibiotics are ineffective for this type of meningitis, no specific treatment can be used in most cases, but my doctor did advise me to stay hydrated, drink a lot of fluids, and painkillers and rest were the most effective way to treat this. But bacterial, there are also some urgent treatments that can be given, such as antibiotics and lumbar puncture.
Lumbar puncture is when spinal fluid is collected for testing.
Thank you so much, Alyssa, for that interesting and entertaining interview.
Oh, I also got some interesting facts from her. She mentioned that boys are more likely to get it than girls, and that 95% of the cases occur in children under the age of 5. To prevent meningitis, you should wash your hands, stay healthy, cover your mouth, get immunizations, Practice good hygiene, which means no sharing.
And how again, Alyssa, does Juliet maintain a constant body temperature?
Homeostasis, of course.
Naturally. And finally, what did the male stamen say to the female pistol?
I like your style.
I like yours too. Thanks, North, for watching.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good day.
Meningitis.
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 Meningitis. Meningitis. Meningitis. Just go back. Neisseria meningitis.
Listeria monocytogenes.
Cytogenes. Come on! Didn't make any sense. Come on! What the heck?
Hi, I'm from Fox News.
Hi.
Hi, I'm from CBS. Hi, I'm from ABC. Hi, I'm a radio talk show host. Hi, I'm from the Weather Channel.
I'm just cut there. We can just cut in here. I'm not even in it! Oh shoot! Wait, that's me! Come on, I had that one! So hot in here.
How is a dog and a marine biologist alike?
I don't know, so how are they like?
Well, one wags a tail and the other tags a whale.